So, this popped up last night at my house, up here facing sunrise direction, and you can see, look at how well you can see that little lead object right there. The shape of it matches perfectly to that crop circle, the shape of the lead asteroid, almost kind of like an acorn teardrop looking thing, but it is exactly how the cube passed last night. I mean, it can't get much much more accurate than that, or predictable. I mean, I took a little video on my phone. I mean, you can clearly see in the center there's the lead object, the cube behind it, how it's basically brushing over the atmosphere. It's just kind of, skirting over it. You kind of got the wrinkles, the trails it's leaving, how it kind of stretches the atmosphere around it. It's very, very weird how it does it, but once you see it, you can't unsee it. It stood out to my eyes. There you go, see, doing the shape right there. That's exactly the outline of the cube, with the bottom corner of it obscured by the atmosphere, and the lead object, or the lead asteroid, right there in the front. And the side orb's going to be off, probably to the left. But I mean, that couldn't have been any more perfect. And that was what, 5/24/2024, Spring City, Tennessee. That was about 8 o'clock, facing sunrise direction.
You can see it.
Pretty damn good one right there. You can see it a lot better in that filter. There's some other of my captures of the same thing. You got the orange object that's right to the right of it. That's the lead asteroid. That was the lead asteroid. There it is again, lead asteroid, and you can see the side orb, little sphere, silver sphere right there next to it. The same exact thing, kind of just like that. It's a little mock-up of kind of how they sit and how they repeatedly pass. This is when they were farther away. That was back in 2019, I think, in Georgia. But I mean, you can't naturally get square cutouts like that. That was the cube and the long box cube. And there's the cube right to the right of the sun coming in. A little darkened, you can see it. It's popping in from the top. Usually around sunset, usually around the sun. Here it is again. This is the moon. You can see the cube off to the left coming around. This thing it's up there. Whether it's our overlords, the moon matrix, Saturn cube, I don't know, but it's pretty undeniable now that it's there. Off to the left right there, you can see the little sphere and then the cube. It'll pass by. It'll be close sometimes. It'll be further sometimes. Here's somebody's video. You got the moon. You can actually see the cube under it. It's got that, the little shadow cutting out the light, and the little triangle, a little half just like that. You'll get the lighted edge. I can't remember who recorded that, but just like that, have a little dark kind of shadow next to the sun. That's where the cube sits. And here's another example, a good one right there, cutting into it to the bottom left. I mean, you can see the perfect cube right there. Undeniable.